Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you a nice easy fix if you have an airlock on your L'OR Barista Sublime Compacts. So you're pressing the buttons and you can hear the pump working, but there's no water coming out. There could be a blockage. Obviously, if it was completely blocked, maybe with lime scale, this isn't going to fix it. But if it's an airlock, then this will fix it. So what we actually just want to do is repeatedly lift this up and down, up and down, up and down. And each time we do it, you'll see that there's a little air bubble that comes out. And every air bubble that comes out is putting a bit of water into the machine. So we're kind of forcing it in via here. It will be better to fill this up with water because there will be more weight of water pressing down going into the machine. So I'm just going to go over to the sink and top this up. So you can now see the water is full. And every time we press it down, you will see air bubbles come up. So lift it up, try not to spill it everywhere. Lift it up and then down. And do this about 30 or 40 times and then give it another go. If it still doesn't work, do it again, another 30 or 40 times. In fact, you can put down in the comment section how many times it took you, if this did indeed fix it, or if you have other techniques that fix it. But you can see every time I do that, air bubbles come out. And in order to test it, you don't have to use a capsule. Just take this bit out here and then get yourself a big enough jug or a mug, and don't waste a capsule on this. You don't need to do that. All we need to do is hit this lungo button, so the button on the right hand side here, and then let it just push through some water without the capsule. If it starts pushing through water, you now know that your airlock's gone and you can put a capsule in and make yourself some nice coffee. It's just going to take a while to heat up. This little button's just flashing at the moment. Hopefully you'll hear it, and hopefully it will sound different and water will start coming out the front like this. There we go, so you can discard the old water, put this back, and now your machine should be ready to make coffee again. So hopefully doing that will clear your airlock. If you fixed it in a different way, put it down in the comment section below because you'll help everybody else out watching this video. Thank you so much for watching.